Stylish table designs can elevate the aesthetic of any room, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance. From sleek and modern glass tables with metallic legs to rustic wooden tables with distressed finishes, the options are endless. Some popular designs feature unique shapes, such as round or oval tables, which can create a sense of fluidity and flow in a room. Others boast intricate carvings or inlays that add a touch of luxury and craftsmanship. Industrial chic tables with reclaimed wood or metal frames are also on trend, offering an edgy contrast to softer decor. Additionally, tables with live edges or natural textures can bring a sense of organic beauty to a space. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or a functional surface, stylish table designs can enhance the ambiance of your space, providing a perfect blend of form and function that reflects your personal style and complements your home's decor. Consider the materials, shapes, and textures that fit your aesthetic, and don't be afraid to mix and match different styles to create a unique look that's all your own. With the right table design, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee.